Hello friends, welcome to at Pagojai TV. Topic of this video: 1. What is DevOps? 2. Key concepts and principles of DevOps. 3. Benefits of DevOps. DevOps is a set of practices, principles, and cultural philosophies that aim to enhance collaboration, communication, and integration between software development, dev, and IT operations, ops, teams. The ultimate goal of DevOps is to deliver high-quality software applications more quickly, reliably, and efficiently, thereby enabling organizations to respond to market demands and changes more effectively. DevOps bridges the traditional gap between development and operations by promoting a shared responsibility for the entire software delivery lifecycle. Key concepts and principles of DevOps. 1. Collaboration. DevOps emphasizes collaboration between developers, operations teams, and other stakeholders involved in the software development process. Teams work together from the initial design phase to deployment and beyond. 2. Automation. Automation is a cornerstone of DevOps. By automating manual and repetitive tasks, such as code building, testing, and deployment, organizations can achieve faster and more consistent results. This leads to reduced errors and increased efficiency. 3. Continuous integration. CI. CI is the practice of integrating code changes from multiple developers into a shared repository several times a day. This process is automated and ensures that code changes are validated through automated testing, preventing integration issues and catching bugs early. 4. Continuous delivery. CD. CD extends CI by automating the deployment process. With CD, code changes that pass automated testing are automatically deployed to production or staging environments, reducing the time between development and deployment. 5. Infrastructure as code. IAC. IAC involves managing and provisioning infrastructure using code and automation tools. This allows for consistent and repeatable infrastructure setups and easier management of environments. 6. Monitoring and feedback. DevOps emphasizes the importance of monitoring applications and infrastructure in real time. Continuous monitoring provides insights into performance, user behavior, and potential issues, enabling teams to make data-driven decisions and respond to incidents quickly. 7. Microservices. DevOps often aligns with a microservices architecture, where applications are built as a collection of small, loosely coupled services. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe at Pagojai TV. This architecture allows for faster development, deployment, and scaling of individual services. 8. Version control. Version control systems, such as Git, are essential for managing code changes and collaborating effectively. They enable teams to track changes, revert to previous versions, and work concurrently on different parts of the codebase. 9. Configuration management. Tools for managing configurations ensure that software environments are consistent across different stages of development and deployment. This reduces the likelihood of "it works on my machine" issues. 10. Cross-functional teams. DevOps encourages cross-functional teams that include members with various skills, such as developers, testers, operations engineers, and security experts. This enables end-to-end ownership of the software delivery process. Benefits of DevOps. 1. Faster time to market. Automation and streamlined processes lead to quicker development cycles and faster deployment of features and updates. 2. Higher quality. Automated testing, continuous monitoring, and code reviews improve software quality by catching defects early and reducing manual errors. 3. Improved collaboration. DevOps breaks down silos between teams, fostering better communication and collaboration. 4. Reduced risk. Automation and consistent processes minimize the chances of human error and reduce the risk of outages and failures. 5. Scalability. DevOps practices enable organizations to scale applications and infrastructure more efficiently to meet user demands. 6. Cost efficiency. By reducing manual tasks and improving resource utilization, DevOps can lead to cost savings in the long run. 7. Customer satisfaction. Faster delivery of features and quick issue resolution contribute to enhanced customer satisfaction. DevOps is not just a set of tools and technologies, it's a cultural shift that requires commitment from leadership, effective communication, and a willingness to adapt and improve processes continuously. It's important to note that implementing DevOps is a journey and may require adjustments to fit the unique needs of each organization. Please like this video if you like the content. Share this video with your near and dear ones. Let me know your comments in the comments section. Check out our other videos in this channel. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe to my channel at Pagojai TV. Thank you.